Hi guys, welcome to another episode of unboxing an electric mountain bike. So today we have the Haoqi Cheetah. Okay, so let's start. I guess I want to show you how it was put in the package. So this right here is the charger. So we have the charger here. Let me check if how many amps does it have. So the charger is 2 amps for this particular model, the Haoqi Cheetah. Then we have the bike right here. So as you can see, the fender, the brake light is already there. So we do have a pump, a free pump that comes along with it. Okay, so it's pretty tight. The packaging is safe, I guess. Okay, like so. Okay guys, so we're gonna open this box. So in the box we have, of course, the pedal. We have the Allen wrench, a small arm wrench, and an upper wrench. The front axle, that's so small. And we do have the manual right here. And we also have the headlight. So the brake light is already attached to the fender. So let's go ahead and assemble this. Okay, now that we have the front tire assembled, we can put it on the side stand. So it comes with a set of pedals. So the monitor is already connected with the wirings. Okay, so next, let's put the fender, the front fender. And let's attach the headlight with it. Okay, so we do have the keys for the batteries right here. You can remove that later. We do have our bell right here, and this is for our monitor. So in order for us to power this thing up, I guess we just need to press the middle button, and that's the M button. Let's try that. There you go. It did power up. So it's showing that it has 3 bars of power. So we do need to charge it. Already has 1 mile on it. So it probably tested this. Okay, the assist, level of assist is right here. It's 1, 2. If you're gonna press the arrow right here, it shows up and down. Okay, so it has until level 5. Of course, if you press the arrow down, it will go down to 0. And that's it. We got the mode, the trip, we got the time, the miles, the odometer. Yeah, so basically that's it. You get the speed right here and miles per hour. Okay, you also have the wattage output right here. Okay, so let's put that in assist 1. It has a torque. Torque is really good. Okay, to turn on the headlight, we just need to long press the top arrow, the headlight right there, and the brake light will turn on too. So let's try to brake. It is also a brake light, guys. As you can see, it illuminates when you brake. I'm braking right now, so it does illuminates when you brake. Okay guys, that will be all for this video, the unboxing and the assembly of the Haoqi Cheetah electric mountain bike. Watch out for our next video. We're going to review all of the specs as well as the review on the test ride on this bike.